Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. Today I have my latest Fashom box to share with you. So in all of my boxes this month, I have been asking for pieces for my vacation. So I am hoping that I can pick some up from this box. Fashom is another style service. It is not a subscription service. You kind of do it on demand. What's nice about Fashom is that they send you a preview of items, and I think they send you like 8 items that you can pick from. You pick 5 of those items to be shipped to you. This was the first time that I actually had to ask for additional items to be sent, as I really didn't see anything. There was one item that I thought I might like, so I asked them to send that and then some additional options, which they did. So I appreciate that. With Fashom, this month, I think it's until July 15th. If you want to try Fashom, you actually get a $20 credit to try that. So I will leave a link below if you want to do that. And again, I think it's just till July 15th. I've had pretty good luck with Fashom. They're incorporating more brands into their box, so I've noticed that I'm getting more items, and I'm keeping more items from my Fashom boxes. With Fashom, you do get your invoice, which is in here, and a note from your stylist. I have models. You can actually request your stylist too, which is nice. They kind of give you a list, and you can select which one you'd like, and then you get a prepaid mailer, so anything that you're not keeping goes back in this bag. With Fashom, you, I think the discount system, let me just check actually before I give you the wrong information, but there is a nice discount system. If you keep all 5 items, you get 30% off, and then if you keep 3 or 4, you get 25% off. So that's really nice. They do offer exchanges, which I had to do last month with one of my pieces, and they were able to send me something in a smaller size, so I appreciated that. I've had really good luck with them, so let's see what's in my box. So the first thing I have, I'll go over, as always, like the prices, the sizes, the material when I try them on, but I'll just kind of show you what I got in my box now. So this looks like it's the jumpsuit that I saw the first time that I really liked, and it feels really nice. So this is by Gilly. Yep, this is the jumpsuit. So if I can figure out how to show you, hang on, I'm struggling with it. So here's the top of it. So, oh, it's backwards. It's got like a wrap style top, and there's an elastic band here. Pretty color. So that's the first item. And then I have something by, this is by Pomelo, and it's a dress. So it's got this really pretty crochet like lace detail up top. So it's in the front and it's in the back. And then the pattern is really pretty. Really, really pretty. Navies, pinks, greens, I like that. And then next I have, this is by Gilly as well, and it looks like it's also a dress. It kind of looks like a little bit of a cheetah pattern, so it's black and white. This is the front. So the front has like a scoop neck, and then the back, you can see this part goes in the back. It's kind of got this string across the back, short sleeved. A lot of dresses, which I think I asked for actually for Florida. And then this is by Umgee, and this is a really pretty color. I'm really hopeful for this one because I wanted bright colors. So it's kind of got the embroidered print on the top of it, and then look at the tassel details. How cute are those? I love that. Looks like it'll be about knee length. And then lastly, I have, this is by, where's the tag? Can't find the tag, so I don't know who this is by. That's strange. I don't know where the tag is, but I'll see if I could find it when I try. Oh, here it is. It's the inside. Oh, but it still doesn't tell me who it's by. Oh, I think this is Laura. But it's a really pretty white tank, and again, it's got the crochet detail in, this must be the back, so the back has the crochet detail. So that's pretty. And then it's got a blue and white floral print. I'm excited. Some promising pieces in this box. So let's get to the try on. I will be right back. All right, I am back, and I have on the Gilli Jumpsuit with pockets. This is an extra large. I think it's an extra large. I forgot to look at the tag, and it is $50. This is so cute. I am in love with this jumpsuit. Who would have thought that I would be a romper and jumpsuit girl? But anyway, the top is a wrap style top. I love the color of this. It's got kind of an elastic band right here. This is a pant jumpsuit, so the pockets, cute, very flowy, very good material. I love it. I think it's super cute. I think this one's a winner. Let me know what you think. I forgot to look at the material. It almost feels like a polyester, but I'm not positive. If I'm wrong, then I'll correct myself across the screen too. But I think this one's a winner. I think I'm keeping this one. All right, I'm moving on, putting on the next dress. All right, I'm back with the next dress. This is by Pomelo, and this is the printed tunic dress. It is $44, and it is 65% cotton and 35% polyester. So the top of the dress is really, really pretty. It's got the crochet detail, and it's almost like a navy. It is navy. And then I do like the pattern. I just don't know that I like the actual dress. I just don't feel like it gives me any shape. Just very drapey kind of feeling almost. I don't know. What do you think? I do like the length of it too. And I like the pattern, but I just wish it had more of a shape to the dress. I just kind of feel like the cut of it is just kind of, I don't know what I would call it, but it's just not giving me any shape. So I think this one's going back, but you let me know what you think, and I'm gonna watch back too, because sometimes if I watch back, I change my mind. So I'm gonna change into the next dress, and I'll see you in a second. All right, I'm back with my next dress, and this is by Gilly. This is the short sleeve fit and flare dress, $49, extra large, 95% polyester and 5% spandex. This is a much better cut for me. So I do like the neckline, kind of a rounded neckline, and it is that fit and flare style. So it's definitely more flattering to my shape. I like it. I think it's pretty cute. It's the short sleeves, and the sleeves have a good length too. I like the actual length of this dress, so it's hitting me kind of right below my knee, so I could totally get away with wearing this dress to work. Here's the back. Yeah, I love it. I love the movement of it. I like the pattern. It's almost, like I said, it's almost like a cheetah type pattern, so I might keep this one and wear it to work, but I'm gonna watch back, and I want you to let me know what you think too. All right, let's move on. I've got one more dress and a top to try on, so hang on. Okay, so the next dress, this is by Umgee, which I do like this brand. It's the floral embroidered baby doll dress, $52. So the actual dress itself is 100% rayon. They're calling the lace part of it, which I don't know which part they're referring to. That's a mixture of materials. I believe it was cotton and rayon, but I can't remember. And then the actual dress itself has a lining on the bottom part, and that's 100% cotton. So this is a mixture of materials. So I was so hopeful. So from here up, I absolutely love this dress. I love all of the embroidery with the pretty colors. It's got 3 buttons here, and I do like the cute little tassels. I think they're so fun, and this would have been the perfect dress to bring with me to Florida. All the bright colors and the pattern and things like that. But let me back up, because this is where it kind of goes wrong. I just don't think that this one flatters me either. It just kind of hangs. It doesn't really give me any shape, and I don't know. I just don't think it does anything for me. See, look at the side of it. Like, it just hangs, and that's not a good look for me. So here's the back. And then here's the front again. So I think, again, if it was more of like a fit and flare style, or it just had a little bit more of a shape to it, I'd consider keeping it, because I love the bright pink and I love the embroidery too, but I don't think this one's a keeper. I'm kind of bummed about it. All right, I've got a top to try on, so let me do that, and I'll see you in a second. All right, last item, and this is a top. So this is by Laura Italy. It's a sleeveless top. It's $35, extra large, and 100% viscose. So it's very pretty. It's got the crochet detail on each side here. And then I like the pattern. It's a good length. I like the blue and the white. So cute for summer, right? Here's the length and the back. And then in the back too, you can see the crochet detail up top here. So I think it's really pretty. I don't know if I'd pull for it. There's something about it that I'm not thrilled about, and I just don't know what it is. You know how you like can't put your finger on it sometimes? I've been feeling like that a lot lately with some of my clothes that I'm getting in my boxes. Like, I like it, but there's something about it. And I don't know if it's the material, because it's getting really hot outside, and I don't know, it just doesn't feel that breathable, but I don't know. You let me know what you think. So I'm gonna change, and we will do a quick recap. All right, let's do a recap. So I'm not sure about this top here. I'm on the fence about it. I did notice that there's a hole in the side over here, so I'm not sure. I know Fashom has great customer service, so I'm sure if I reached out to them, they'd be happy to send me a new one if I wanted one. I'm gonna reach out to them either way just to let them know. but I don't know if I want to keep that one. This one I was so hopeful for, this dress by Umgee, but I just don't care for the way the bottom fits me. There's just no shape to the bottom. It just kind of hangs on me, and that's not a good look for me. So this one is gonna go back. I think I might keep this dress. This was one of the Gilly dresses, and I really like this one for work. So I'm leaning towards keeping this one, but let me know what you think. This one's gonna go back. This is by, I think this was by Pomelo, yeah. So this was the Pomelo dress. This also I liked on the top because I love the crochet look, the lace look, but this again didn't really have any shape to it, so it didn't do anything for me. So this one is gonna go back too. I am keeping the jumpsuit. You're not gonna convince me otherwise. I really like it. So comfortable. I thought it fit me well. So this one is going in my closet for sure. So that's the one that I don't need any help with. So if I kept everything, it would be $230, but the 30% discount for all 5 takes off $69, bringing it down to $161. $161 is not bad for 5 items, especially 4 dresses and a top, not bad at all. But I'm not gonna keep all 5, maybe 3, but I'm really only convinced about 2. So that's where the math comes in, but I'm not gonna keep something just to get a discount. I think too, I have that $15 styling fee that I paid that comes off, so maybe I'll just keep the jumpsuit from this box. So you let me know your thoughts. I really do appreciate you spending some time with me today. It means a lot. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.